Hi, Rod. Oh, there we go. It's called shaky cam. Oh, you guys are crazy. Don't let her do that, Rog. Holly. Oh, you're foolish. Holly. Oh, you just want a hot dog, eh? You don't care. She can beat the heck out of you, and you just want a hot dog. Where are you now? Oh, Roger. Sit, please. No, that's not sitting. That's getting up. You sit. Oh, what a good boy. Look at that. Holly, come here and sit. Come sit. Sit. You want the hot dogs? Hey, you want the hot dogs? No, she wants to go say, hey, who are you? Oh, Roger wants the hot dog. There you go. Hey, you brute. Holly, get out of there. I'm losing my finger to him. Bloody dog. One for you. Come on, right here. Gentle, please. Oh, you're being a real cow. Go on. That's it, Rog. Let's go. Hi, little guy. You got a nice stick, eh? How you doing? Yeah, Papa. Roger's like, just give me another hot dog, please. Oh, look at that tail, eh? Look at that tail.